A lawmaker stresses that the erroneous arrest and detention of NDFP peace consultant Ariel Arbitrario could be a ground to file for an arbitrary detention complaint against authorities. Victor Cosare will tell us why.
From his arrest at a Task Force Davao checkpoint in Barangay Sirawan, Toril, Davao City, Ariel Arbitrario, a peace consultant of the National Democratic Front of the Philippines, and his companion Roderick Mamuyak remained inside the main office of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group Region 11 the whole day. However, a lawmaker insists that the apprehension of Arbitrario was baseless. Anak Pawi's Party List Representative Ariel Casilao said the bail released by the court for Arbitrario for him to be able to attend the peace talks is still in effect. Also, the peace consultant is protected by the Joint Agreement on Safety and Immunity Guarantees, or JASIG, which is still in effect up until the peace negotiations has officially been terminated.
While there was an initial statement of the President that suspending the negotiation, processes requires that it should be followed, one, to formally notify in writing the peace panel, both parties, the GRP and the NDFP, and of course notify the third-party facilitator, the Royal Norwegian Government. Within 30 days upon receipt of that notification, diyan pa po sana dapat ma-determinate formally yung negotiation. So we consider this kumbaga shortcut in violation of the processes.
Congressman Casilao says the arrest and detention without legal basis is enough ground to file a complaint for arbitrary detention against authorities.
With regards to the statement of the President, while we understand under a very high tension and high emotional precedent, or yung pretext ng kanyang statement is with emphasis doon sa galit niya, it should not be interpreted by security forces as an automatic, no, because may process yan.
The apprehension of Arbitrario came after the pronouncement of President Rodrigo Duterte that he is already scrapping the peace talks with the Communist Party of the Philippines, and he wants all NDF peace consultants that were given temporary liberty to be back in prison. Colonel Erwin Bernard Neri of Task Force Davao said the apprehension was born out of an information they received that a white pickup van will pass by the area boarded by personalities that are subject of arrest warrants. In a statement, Joint Task Force Haribon Commander Brigadier General Gilbert Gapay said the subject of the operation was Roderick Mamuyak, who has a standing warrant for murder. Mamuyak is a liaison officer of the Southern Regional Committee of the New People's Army. It just so happened that Arbitrario was with Mamuyak.
Not until 4 p.m., gistorya nila ang lawyer namo og nagpresent og warrant of arrest to a certain alias Coco. So, gina-consider ni sa mo lawyer na usa ka general na warrant of arrest without any description kinsa si alias Coco, but then they are pointing it to Roderick Mamuyak, which is ang isa sa kauban karon ni Ariel Arbitrario.
The CIDG has not yet issued a statement on the incident. Victor Cosare, UNTV News and Rescue, Davao City.